machine. We're unwinding products from an LAT Ferag system. We're putting them up on the gripper system, as you can see. And what's going on is it's going to go through the HQF22 smart folder. Here you can see the products coming down. It's entering the HQF22 smart folder. We got two joggers here. It does a very nice accurate fold. And what we're going to do is bump turn these products and put it through an addressing system. So basically we're putting a different independent address on each product. And you can see it right here. Very nice. Very nice copies. Different addresses on each one. It's going through the stacker.
Keine, das ist ohne Stern.